natin ng kape si Madam. Coffee si Madam. Let's make coffee for Madam. Here's your coffee, Madam. Here's your coffee po. Your hot coffee. So yummy. Ay, nagwo-work pala si Madam. Nagwo-work si Madam, oh. Okay. Oh, drink coffee si Madam. Drink coffee. Sarap? Sarap. I will make coffee pa. Okay, I will make coffee. Here's your coffee again, Madam.
Wait.
Nagwo-work ka?
Mommy. I'm working, Mommy.
Oh, work si baby, oh. Work from home ba yan, Madam?
Vivian.
No, Madam. Bibi lang. Okay, nagwo-work si Bibi. Ang bata-bata mo pang nagwo-work. Oh my God. Magtototot pa si Bibi?
Yeah.
Magtototot si Bibi, nagwo-work na. Oh, may tumatawag. Someone's calling.
Hello. Hello. Hello, Mommy.
Hello, Hera.
Hello, Momo. Wait, the phone. You know the phone.
Okay, hello, Hera.
Hello, Mommy. Get your video, guys.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Working again. Back to work. Oh, drink coffee, drink. Drink your coffee. Oh my God, kape. Abis mo namang ubusin yung kape mo. Baka naman ikaw magkaroon ka na ng...
Do you take a girlfriend?
Pinagsakan. Wrong number, wrong number. O, balik mo na yung cellphone mo. Wrong number daw. Yes, wrong number.